What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Is It Really That Easy? Hopefully you can hear me okay. We got a highway here behind me and it's pretty loud sometimes. But as you guys may have already known, I bought this work car, and when I got it, there's scratches all over the windshield. I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. Hopefully you can see it right here. I can't feel them, which is good, so they should come out okay. I don't know if you can really see it here or not, but I see one right here. You see this one right here. This is where somebody didn't replace their windshield wipers on time, and they continued to use them and scratch the windshield all up. So guys, make sure you replace your windshield wipers. So I'm going to try to use this stuff that I found on Amazon. Found it on a video. Cerium oxide, I guess you call it. The stuff that I actually found was a powder, but this stuff is a liquid. I found it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. But then I went ahead and bought this as well. Put this on your drill, add a little bit to the applicator, and buff it out. So let's see how it works. All right, this stuff is just a liquid. Alright, what they said was to put your drill at an angle, not straight on. So just remove with some soap and water. So it's really hard to see, hard to tell right now. It's still there. This is looking like it's working. Let's see if you can see this. Really difficult to see in this light, but I don't see any more. I don't really see it anymore. I see some, over here where I haven't got anything yet. I don't know if you can really see that or not on camera. But some a little bit right here still. So, and I'm gonna hit this part right here again as well. It's a whole lot better than what it was, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit a little bit more off camera and see what happens here. All right, this was so bad. I've done the other side. Done some good to this whole side. So I know you probably can't see very well, just like I said in the beginning, but I can see it. And all of them are gone. I have to say this stuff works pretty good. It took some elbow grease and the pad on a drill. If you have a buffer, it would be a whole lot easier to use that, but I don't have one, so I just bought what attaches to the drill. And then when I was done, I just used regular sprayway glass cleaner. This stuff is really good. I'll put links in the description for everything that I used. But these scratches weren't super deep. Now, if you had, this is a small car, so, and I'm not a real large person, so I still struggle a little bit to reach the very center of the windshield where, I'm stretching out. But it was very doable. It wasn't hard at all. It's just, it's a stretch for me. And if I was doing like my truck or my son's Lincoln or something, it would be a little bit more of a stretch. It'd be more difficult. But this was a very easy job. This stuff worked like it said. It was very simple to use. And this was the pre-mix. Now you can buy the stuff that's not pre-mixed, but this stuff is already mixed. So all you gotta do is just shake it up real good and apply it and kind of wet it down on your windshield. It said to start with a clean surface. I did not. I keep my windshield pretty clean anyway. Had a couple spots on it that I probably should have cleaned off, but I didn't. I just went ahead and started with it, and it worked great. And you can see the finished product there a moment ago. It done a pretty good job. Now I could continue on with the other side and get a little bit better, but it's getting kind of hard to see. Maybe tomorrow after it's out in the sunlight, I might maybe make some marks or something on it and do it again. Overall, it done really good. It was just as easy as they said, and it did work. So if you have some scratches in your windshield from someone not replacing the blades like they should have, this stuff works pretty good. I would recommend using it. But if you have scratches that are really deep, nothing's going to take care of that. You're going to have to replace your windshield. But for me, fortunately, they weren't that deep. They were just an eyesore, and they would not come out with just regular washing. So stuff worked like I said. So check out in the description if you are interested in it. It'll be affiliate links on Amazon, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, if it's the type of content that you like, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and then click the bell as well so you'll be notified when I do upload new videos. So I'll see you guys in the next one.